everyone, this is Aisha and welcome to our 60-second Kotlin tutorial. And in this tutorial, I'll be talking about how you can copy objects, copy the value of object to another object. Now, when working with data class, you can use the copy method to copy objects to another object. For example, the newly created object can have different properties. For example, here I have created an object and this object belongs to the individual class, which is a data class, and then inside this we have passed the values for our parameters of the primary constructor. Now I can copy the values of this object to another object by creating a new object and then object 1, for example, and then I can write equals the already created object dot, I'm going to call the copy method. So this copy method will copy the values of the object, and if you do not pass anything, then the object 1 will have same values. Object 1 will have waiter, object 1 will have 202 as an ID. So let's check this. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to use object 1 and object 1. You will see both of these objects will have same values because occupation will be waiter, occupation will be waiter, ID will be 201, ID will be 201. And here you can see this occupation waiter, waiter, ID 201, ID 201. So this is how you can copy objects to another object. Now if I want to pass some arguments, for example, if I pass ID, so here I'm going to use the named argument ID equals 400, and now when I use object 1 to print the ID, I will have 400 here. I'll run the program. So you can see here that we have changed our property. So object 1 doesn't hold the value as object. So here you can see that ID equals 400 when we have used object 1 to print the value. Now you can also use, if you want to pass the value for the first parameter, then you do not have to use the named argument. You can simply write, for example, student, and it will be alright. And you can see here student is printed, then 201 is printed because we haven't changed the value or this ID property. So what we did in this tutorial, we have used the copy function to copy one object into another object. So we have created a new object which is object 1 and then equal sign, and then we have the already created object, then we have used dot and call the copy method. So when this copy method is called, we are actually copying an object to another object. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching the video and I'll see you in the next tutorial.